Now, amid a devastating second COVID wave and a shortage of vaccine doses, the Indian government and US drug maker Pfizer are at loggerheads on vaccine indemnity demand. Reuters sources say that Pfizer demanded for legal protection from any claims linked to the use of its COVID-19 vaccine in India. And no COVID-19 vaccine manufacturer in India has been given indemnity against the costs of compensation for any severe side effects. Sources say the Indian government is not ready to meet Pfizer's vaccine indemnity demand. Pfizer, however, has obtained these conditions in many countries like Britain and the United States, where its vaccine is being widely used. Sources tell Reuters that the Indian government and Pfizer are working to reach a vaccine deal and that some form of legal protection is still on the table. India's Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar will be visiting the United States on the 24th of May, with a focus on procurement of COVID vaccines from the American pharmaceutical giants. Sources say that Indian Foreign Minister could offer Pfizer some form of protection from lawsuits in exchange for the company providing additional assistance in distributing vaccines in India. A Pfizer spokesperson confirmed that the company is still in talks with India on a deal and that Pfizer remains hopeful of reaching an agreement. Reuters sources also say that the vaccine indemnity is not the only point of contention between Pfizer and the Indian government. Now, the two are also at disagreement over India's insistence on a local trial for any vaccine approval. Pfizer withdrew its application for emergency use authorization for the vaccine developed with Germany's BioNTech in February after India insisted on such a trial. On the 4th of May, Pfizer's chief executive, Albert Bourla, had said that he was hopeful that the Indian government would change its policy of local trials and that a path to deliver Pfizer shots to India could be found. Now, 3 other shots being used in India, developed by AstraZeneca, Russia's Sputnik V, and Bharat Biotech's and ICMR's Covaxin, have completed small-scale safety trials. India is currently facing a shortage of COVID-19 vaccines. Now, last month, India pledged to fast-track approvals for overseas vaccine makers, including Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson. However, none of the manufacturers have sought permission from India's drug regulator to sell their doses. India has daily cases that have been exceeding 250,000 since the 18th of April. So far, cumulatively, the Indian has administered over 190 million doses, and only about 3% of its population have received 2 doses of COVID vaccines.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.